Oh, be sure to watch to the end of the video. You see how I make a meal out of some of that barbecue. Do something a little different. Might as well do something different. Hey, it's OJBJ. We're gonna show you how to do a little Boston butt smoking. Say it takes like 1.5 to 2 hours per pound. So if you got a 7-pound Boston butt, that's about 14 hours. That's a long time smoking. We're gonna show you how to do that right now. Got something coming up. Well, I put a little honey on my Boston butt so that rub would stick. I rubbed it all over. Thought honey would be sticky. Heard about people using mustard. Well, I did put a little mustard with some honey a little later, and I rubbed that all over too. So what the heck? I'll try something different. Rubbed it all up and down, all around good, top, bottom, side, so that rub stick good to that Boston butt. There goes that rub, some of that store-bought rub right there. Then we're going to put some a little bit more of that honey I was talking about. That's some of my homemade rub. Use some brown sugar and regular sugar and some other spices. Loaded it up, packed it down, let it sit. Packed it down some more. Pack it. Looking thick with sugar. Ooh, yeah. Looking thick. Rub that thing good. It's gonna be ready to be smoked up. I covered it up, put it in the old fridge overnight. I decided to do something a little crazy. I took some smoked chips. I have like a time delay smoke bomb. Froze them in the fridge with a little bit of water. That's the way I like to clean out my grill, get all the critters out. Raise up my charcoal bed so they can breathe. Loaded it up. Got some things smoking. Looking good. Coals are hot. Hotties going in. There's a little frozen bomb, time bomb. I don't know if it worked any good. We'll just see how it worked. Try something different. Got it up a little temp. We're going to put some a water pan in. Fill that water full. Fill some good old H2O. There's that old Boston butt looking good, ready for smoking up. We're going to look at that thing. Woo, good and good. We're throwing some smoked chips in there. It's ready to get going. It's going to be a long day of smoking. There you go. We got a temp up pretty good. It's a couple hours in, about 6 hours in. Had to throw a few more coals in and some chips. Get on in. That's probably about 8 hours in. Checking it out. Still looking good though. Throwing some more coals in. It was a cold afternoon. Trying to get that temperature up. Throwing them coals in there. Gotta be careful. Don't burn yourself though. That's just the way I like to shovel them in as good as I can. Got that up to about 195, 194. Gonna wrap it up in some foil. Looks real good. Wrap it up in the foil, put it back on. Get that temperature up to about 205. That'll break down all those fats in there and make it all juicy good. Decided I'd try a little something different when it came down to eat this. Got me a cup of some diced tomatoes in there. I got me some more garlic. I like me some garlic now. Put that garlic in that diced tomatoes too. And I'm gonna stir that up good. Let it simmer. Stirring it up. Mix it up good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it sit about 10 minutes and simmer up. Reduce. Get a little of that liquid out of there. I had just a little leftover barbecue sauce. I put some water in there. Make that little barbecue saucy. I'm gonna let that sit on the stove for about 10 minutes. Stir it up, reduce that down, make it thicker. And that's gonna be kind of like a little barbecue sauce. I throw a little pepper in there. But then we're gonna make just a little barbecue sauce. This is a little homemade, something different. This is just another case of not being afraid to cook. Throw something in the pan. I had some diced tomatoes. I thought, well, let's see what I could do. But once this gets all reduced down, see it's starting to get a little thick right there. There's that barbecue. We're throwing it on there. Look at that. Looking good. Good stuff. We're getting ready to stick a fork in that. Put it in my yummy tummy. Some mighty fine looking stuff. Good stuff. yummy tummy. I appreciate y'all watching. Glad to see y'all. Spread this around, subscribe, and give me some likes. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a good one.